This news, Mema Ohibia Aquaba. I had yet latest and hot news in one and I'm a Bremo Anuti Omodia say over subscribe to the channel. You will have to say over click the subscribe button. Now, what belly notification when sa new video be uploaded. When the first person I was at the car, video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up, nothing. Share my offer so now when you be here now and somewhere also a Ghana memoir. I feel you move here and somewhere abeto your proso. It year sound come your course I report here about to get it is as
160 billion answer. Why watching classes at hospital when we be hobby? So we need insurance for America. New York Abontes was our hospital no. You must have 1.6 million Ghana cedis readily available, converted to dollars, 100,000. As I to me, say a show. Yes, I so. Don't share maku edu and sema eduanai enum 10 hours 45 minutes. Na Ghana hakra yo surgery a be 2 hours kra jo say when ya to when ya cho henia kura no ye surgery Ghana ha ye jo say and a stroke or I saw me the team not dream brain surgery because a stroke I say ye ne kom I say ye ne minimum I say ye ne yem I say ye ne nsa I say ye ne he 10 solid hours asante Bediatuo doctor for papa no don hwiri edu simaduanan enum say ye hu sotiasio so wo so ni ho eno ye yasem Nanado say I can't jail protesters wo boa you say you can't try na he I am daring you. So as you're president, you have all the executive powers. Akufo Addo me do nyame we ye be ma try na jail one. Ayana wadwen ye wo se wo no abusuafo no. Ya na wadwen ye mo se obi o wasase su bi asuro mu. Hwe Akufo Addo timi you assume wherever you are. Listen. But obi oni mpae bobi abompa e ma Ken Ofori Atta. I told you about 1 month ago. Say, Owu bi besi Ghana. Wa woni mempae bo no. Menka se Ken Ofori Atta bi pacho timi. But woni mempae bo a bompae ma no. Wo bompae ni wi a, my former Speaker of Parliament. Like Ocquaye. Akufo Addo my yen can show plain. So what dream you also be slow krum how 1 year here. And the 1 year here. Won ne wabusuafo no. Ene sa won krofo bi ne di wachi no. Aya na badwen yo mo say jema as a Ghana ye nya ye tibni na sabe eburu sabe ye nya ado ye ni tire. Wadwo say ye we nete ne ye da. Wo so wo ye bema jeli ba ko pe. Anka befunu sojafo okrum ha. Ka befunu police fo okrum ha. Wo ye bema jail 1 of the protesters, just jail 1. So I would join Numsa because I said, Obi am few. Until you think that's all. Nanado, what's we a bear man? Just jail 1, jail 1 pair. Kotamete, I can't jail them. We are judge. How can you even give such an answer as a president? What's that court to DSM? That is I can't jail 1. Jail 1. Who there for bako pe tum say wo womre so. Me do nyame ebe fun soldier for the police for okruim. E hone na obehu say na wa mu no wo say wo ye mampanin ba wada enso wo nan egu abonten. Ye do baby afi ye be mama hu say mema e wo man yim. Ko Ghana Armed Forces na ko hwade. Mafia over 300 military officers will resign this week. One say Jumana from Mumu Jai Soja 300. I find them penny for CHD power macho. They said they want to leave Ghana Armed Forces. If you madam, Kotrasi.
Shifting.
Me to be boss about confront to from now. I'm in showing us some man no pay. I fit me. Ma MPP for nye wadwen da so menya ye wo me yesuro won he wo hye nipa onsuro owu a memfa moja ngoro wonanim nipa onsuro owu yemfa moja engoro wonanim memere da no ye protest no 6 boy na yendru Accra Sports Stadium car park ho medru fi ancha na papa bi pani bi papa pani nye mpani akowra ni bi papa pani pa se captain enti na ade asa na the way awo kasa wo TV so ni ade na wunsuro nam so pani papa wadawroma nipa onsuro wu yemfa moja ngoro wonanim ena oye din asemeda ase nyame ya adoma achina Emma MPP for nye wadinda se member ni krom ha
news all time
wo de omontoto omopa yebe ma mo edifo wọ́n say amini Ghana for amiyen so I realize here amiyen police for nan kasa boy ye ho ban wo protest na sna ka kire say mo ko speed dodo mo ko slow ha mo ko slow asa mo ko ntem dodo edu ba bia na ye speakers no PA system ni nya adwuma no na police for na ha wo say PA system ni nya adwuma. And let me congratulate the Ghana Police Service. My had here. The first day, the second day, and the final day, which was last Saturday. Wonderful work. But I didn't have during the second day now. And maybe be share more ewo eye ka akudia. Umu pra post ni baako. Eye den ene kosi ye. Omo se omo pon asori Omoko na aye wonwonai honestly mete hey minya details no ye so I don't want to talk about that mete hey me ko demonstration nibi but minya details of exactly what happened at that particular spot but the minimum say there was a confrontation between some youth and the Ghana Police Service. By the time and never I'll get the full details and tomorrow I'll come over to tell you. The toss will be say, hey, Incrophobia and wondering say they will not handle Ghana in their hands. They want to manage Ghana in their pockets. And Akufo Addo is the praise singer. He is the leader. Of this nation-wrecking gang. And they are determined that se Ghana beye denyo, and foul. Mena me catch now. And look, me say so ye bema onjeli one. Me can be me say a be full soldier for any police for ukruim. Ebe full. So, when we saw me a mema, omunjeli one. When him, Galamsey, me started here about 2 years or 1 year ago? 2 years ago, 2022. I have been very consistent. Because now meaning the devastating effects of Galamsey. Because, let's say, during J. Kufuor's time ana Oma soldier from Peninfo, led by the CDS then.
Watching juicy news on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Brigadier General JB Dampare. So one fighting Galamsey, no, I was part of Central Force specifically. Was selected yen. Say yen now one fighting against Galamsey. That time, number Fox FM. Me, Mensah Yabu Ferry, Kwame Dinkra, and a few others are. Yeah, on my hand, that time, no my hand was Kesben FM, and a few others, Mirefi, Omudin, and another Washington region, and I come. Me, I had the opportunity to travel with the Ghana Armed Forces, not once, twice, thrice, or whatever. Metina Ghana Armed Forces for helicopter more than 12 times. Time ana wamo survey amansie ɛhɔ nyinaa manso ewiem hɔ manso adubia manso hɛn manso hɛn nyinaa. I was with the Ghana Armed Forces. 80 minim the very devastating effect of Galamsey. Galamsey no ho. Sa wo hwɛ ne sɛ asase nko ana ɛsɛ na wetin. Ade a ehu ɛwɔ Galamsey hu ne sɛ yɛbɛwo nkwadaa wɔyɛ deformed. My producer sent me a video. Hwɛ sese no all the Galamsey areas se wo nkwadaa 10 a emu 4 ɛyɛ deformed. Ebi hɔ a ne se epie ne ha. Ne nsa we ɛsɛ yɛ 5 ne bi hɔ a yɛ 4 ebi ayɛ 3 obi hɔ a ne kokromoti no epie na obi ne nan. I will show you just one. Ne nan so na ɛsɛ yɛ 1 2 3 4 5 kokromoti ne plus others no ne nan so ano baako epie ne nan ne mfimfin sei. Eti anya careful a ade a ehu Galamsey ho paa ne sɛ ɔman yi daachi no yenye nipa efo mu mbu ɔman yi na ɛno na Jubilee House ɛyɛ Jubilee House to Galamsey ina beka kyerɛ wo Jubilee House o to Galamsey omu to Galamsey because when sika o mawie nyina no omu yi pia o mo fere omu suro nkrofo bebu sase munya sika we nyina ɛwɔ hen nti omu fere omu suro wọ́n sẹ́ de nyame yẹ n'adeɛ wọ́n awie sika no ba wọ́n ntumi ni eti wọ́n de Galamsey sika ɛna de yɛ hwɛ I am telling you today Honorable Dr. Afriyie onim MPP fo a akra nkrofo mum rada abagana wo to Galamsey he is aware onim. Once you Afriyie kasa no o se ye nkrofo bi na akokra wo yere no hu se Burkina Faso to Galamsey akọ Galamsey site se ya me no kasa yi wo mo sheda wo ma start kra wo mo ye I am more kwalankete. Sometimes I listen and look at these politicians and I feel like throwing out. When him say o ma pegana for o French asheda record wo mo na o mo gudu so o mo record wo mo no bi de fork and knife ebubo plate him as o mo to Galamsey ampa no bi hwie nso hwew o mo horo car o mo de water hose na eye na nipa na ka French we chire na abe confirm say asem na you Afriyie kan no ampa lie MPP fo na akra wo abakuma led by Chairman Wontumi. In any case, why na you in charge of the immigration of this land? Nanado is the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces that is supposed to protect our borders and our boundaries. And then Sankrofo we ba be say oman na Akufo Addo atena hwa hwe won Bawumia te hwa hwe won ono akasa ayi wa Afriyie na ono na ye parliamentary select committee on health ono ye chairman o te hwa hwe won say ahoho mra na wo mese oman no. What kind of rubbish thinking is this? No, what kind of baby analogy is this? People who claim some more master's degree, first degrees, PhD, these guys are nothing but useless maggots. Sometimes when they are talking as if it's a kerosene, and I wonder how we manage to vote for such elements into government. Sometimes I wonder what actually came over me to campaign for such elements. Sometimes I wonder. And you see, and I'm Santi, can I get a deformed baby's picture? Share. And she was share from 2022. Me started Galamsey campaign. Yet in February. Yeah, Thanksgiving breakfast, January. The last Friday of January. After your friend is saying Val's Day papa bi a TV3 year program no abontimu ha omode obi a I say worry obia or ye physically challenged. What's not a that day, na TV3 a program. No, that was the day, the 14th of February, is the same day that I was arrested. Why? I spoke about Galamsey. What do I do on my me? Me drew few, so everybody thought I was at home. And a friend me say, police for hear me, e wonima. Baby, Akufo Addo fear one, so where Nima. That's right. You hear me Nima, so I went to Nima. Me do Nima no pepepe. Said any Nima police for na hear me. Na national security car si ho. Me do hard the national security for say, "Wuni captain." Them say yes. Why are you in shorts? Them say me wo fear. And then me nya call say Nima police station. And indeed they use Nima. Police ni bia me na me person me body the telephone number the frame me. No say akwa na dey am dey here no the American ba fie be patch ho. And a friend, so one or two things be issues be they want me to come and explain. So I obliged and went. Police for me, many police for me do a national security card here. I afford. Ya mo a me shame bugrum. Na ko fu started the meeting. But no more refi o mo man me phone. Eti me wo app be a friend in Roma. Aji wutua cancel wanya bi. Na me activate here so that my phone can record all the areas they moved me to Kaswa. You do Kaswa, they turned. You never see what is Legon. Now you frame from Afryie, but I'm in person mefa. You had to make call rounds. They ended up at Ministry Police Station. Ministry Police Station on Musamakwada Hono. That is the third time. That time videos they feel by no is the third time. Mate what? I say you go home. We invite you again. And then I left. We could do fear and check. And now obi frame me from national security say the following Tuesday though yeah the maybe court. The Musan say charge be na mo de me ko bomb me court. Enti say ubusa lawyer your TV3 your friend saying oh Martin Pebu obe catch now. Let me friend Martin Pebu say obi a friend say yes Tuesday yeah the me court. Me kura na minim say ya mbebo immediate general lawyer for amane because me maboa me ho na menam. And I'm a friend Martin Pebu. And then CBP running mate says here wayo. And a few other lawyers. No, so don't worry, we'll go with you. Me pon adwuma. Me train call no ya kire me court kona meko. Me train ufia ha train. Obi am frame me and kire me court kona meko. Me nkwate say issue bench warrant say me mama court to ye meche me. Say bench warrant no say me you. So be we you enemy ne. I'm the tell me no say. March, April, May. No so ya search me 2022. Galamsey was arrested 4 times in 2022. Maybe you don't know. I haven't told my managers. Me kwaye MC. Me nam kwemu kwasiada amakwaye MC. I was sorry them me kofie ni achime. Yebe huna be said be Monday. Minka Galamsey. That was the day I say the president is involved in Galamsey. Oh, and so I know they want me to open. Better tell me what hasa. And so you change me near the call. That's the third one. The fourth one. And there was a Rambo style. Okay. On me crossing me with Jubilee House anymore. Akwara afia bi me hwe the way okuta to no kura metumi ya wak no e pra no waka no magito na finisem. But I said I will not mind you. What you say a party DB or baby onim hwe. So a post the kuro di post onim hwe. Because obetra kan so ba catch up obetra kan no akroke person no. Na me say wa betra kan na wa betra kan no akroke AK47 na AK47 onim hwe kan na pempem wa bodam. eke ya kroke hwe ka papam ba ko so eteto nsukuta ne pistol na msa na ntama betra kam na mukuta pistol ene eke mo de yere me cause akwa no wetin say oni trading class dey timi di eke sika front say the be just in case of anything you can have your target ne mu say akwa no wajimi okay, it's just as simple of this way. Net2 no abo dashboard na be hwe ni minim na kew. So one we say yam. Maybe the one at my back can whatever, maybe shoot. But there was a provision there too that could have handled him. Rambo style. You did me call ye gig. You did me Akoto. Have you over here na meda? Your horse ada back Captain, why are you sleepy? I'm saying nonsense. Have I killed a human being? What have I done? That you think I should know? Hey, they had never have what one award that I'm saying padi you pa. Officer family home. When we are in the national security for now, can say the presidency is involved in Galamsey because we ourselves we are tired. We have invited Woon to me several times. We have done reports for the president. And when the president did me Akontamise. Akontamise Woon to me there. President did me Akontamise there. David. As of now, then. The national security for Nankasa, aye reports, baby. Because of that, national security for you know Mensah, you tamumu finkran, you be called Gambaga. And other parts of the country, why we could do a canea crabbe as when you be a so. Because what? They were writing things ebe bo Mensah mampeni, Akufo Addo no, onye hwedwuma, ose onye. Then we got to 2023. They thought I was going to stop. And what now? When we invited him on national security 3 times. Lawyer Senna say, oh, when we invite you, I have from me. Let me see you, Mati. Invite me, my friend, Lawyer Senna. Media General, company we, mam lawyers, external lawyers, Mensah. Say, invite you, friend, invite you, Adam call. Me call. Sammy lawyer, ba for the man. Omubu fu me, omani abre. And I'm saying, okay, Matthew, the next time you check me, me fremu. Me call national security back. Me sanko mienu. Me call the 3rd time last year, 2023. Yeah, me sure that what now? No, be able to find him when him so. I have for. Mon am ton so mami no. Then. Say na buying way the Galamsey sika never financing the campaign. Enti. One person yen because they asante Bediatuo twahwe wa America. A doctor for jira ne ho 10 hours. America hospital na omde asante Bediatuo ko e no ho. Me de pictures beba be kire wo sanyame ya do na Wednesday mitimi ba adwuma. Me de beba be kire wo. Won say the hospital na te. We need $50,000 to $100,000 ayentimi hwe wo. Wo firi obi krom e na eba. We American now on insurance ni be there fine. But your time we free Ghana had the call. We need between $50,000 to $100,000. $100,000 they say 16. We dey men for 85 and so. Okay? But 16 times 100,000. 1, 2, 3. Yay. Bo na shade. I say we need 1.6 million Ghana cedis. 160 billion answer. Why are watching crisis at hospital when we be hobby? So we need insurance for America, New York Abontes was our hospital. No? You must have 1.6 million Ghana cedis readily available, converted to dollars, 100,000. As I to me, say yeah, show. Yes, I so. Don't share maku edu ene sema eduanan enum 10 hours 45 minutes. Na Ghana hakra ye yo surgery a be 2 hours kra je say wenya twa henia kra no ye yo surgery wo Ghana ha ye je say and a stroke. Well, I saw my the team not dream brain surgery because a stroke. I say a yen a comb, I say a yen minimum, I say a yen a yam, I say a yen and sa, I say a yen here 10 solid hours as Bediatuo. Doctor for papa and don't really do smedrianai and say who sortiasio, sontiasio, so ho, so new, I don't hear some. I don't fear who. The last time I'm in a lawyer about for Jew, the other share. You call national security first one. Na ye huna metehodi na mesre. Papa did some so why are you laughing? Let me say show me where in your laws that I can laugh. Just show me. Wo mra na wo de ye adwuma say national security no. Bra ben e na wo ho. Besin ne me belt. National security for je Mumfa me belt mame. Me mobile phones mienu. National security for mumfa mame. Me watch. National security mumfa mame. Me boa. Me rings. National security mumfa me rings no mame. Muma ne nka mo ho. Na dabi beba me siu mo a meje me judgment debt. Enye ne. Eti kanda pai. Me belt. National security ni abante no obi belt obi say belt be ni. Me who electronic belt that. Nam so who electronic belt that na dey wan be. Belt e so kan ya. E da omo ho. Number 2, me mobile phones mienu. E omo ho, me nka ho asem. All because of Galamsey. Wo dey no to nchen a. Me watch e omo ho. Yay, me rings mienu. And so national security for her. GH boy so phones back once mienu. Ni na wo mo ho. Mo de mun kipi. Ana madwem se be me bia ni krom ha. Hwe nipa onsro owuo. Ye mfa moja ngoro wonanim. Me catch am play. Eti efimra me shase 2022 Galamsey yo, Galamsey yo, Galamsey yo, Galamsey yo, Galamsey yo, Galamsey yo. The Ghana phone tema say, you guys thought say, Sabi, na me bodam. One say ne. Obi a to Captain Smart and Yumnibi. Media General. Atamasum Kubra. Say, media houses are Ghana Henina. Kwambo for Captain Smart, my Boakye Agyarko. Or Sergeant for my Jim Wewe. To be a Yakukudro, it me kabi.
You're waiting for winning and somewhere about the toy, Yapono. Because you so and our channel so we are subscribe ya Bawumia say we subscribe to the channel sanse hadie latest and hot news nkwa and am the bremo Afriyie na what like video give us a thumbs up na fi share ma of for so na when you be here na wo hu and somewhere ekoso e wo Ghana ni man wo so bitimi a kire what dey fa ye somewhere ni na hu e wo comment box mo beti interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.